In today's video, we're going to show you how to backup to Cloudflare R2 with Iperius Backup. First, you need to set up Cloudflare R2. Log into your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to Storage and Databases, then select R2 and go to the Overview section. From there, click on Create Bucket. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select a location. You can leave it set to Automatic. Then click Create Bucket to confirm. Next, still in the Cloudflare R2 dashboard, go to Manage API Tokens, then click on Create User API Token. Select Object Read and Write as the permission, and restrict the token to the bucket you just created. Then assign a recognizable name and click Create Token. After creating the token, you'll see the access key ID, secret access key, and the endpoint. Be sure to copy and save them securely right away, since they won't be visible again. Now let's take a look at the backup configuration. Open Iperius Backup and click Create New Backup to start a new job. In the Items panel, select the files, folders, or other data you want to back up to the cloud. Next, add your R2 cloud destination. In the Destinations panel, click Add New Cloud Account. When the setup window appears, enter your R2 credentials, name, access key ID, secret access key, and endpoint. Make sure to select S3 as the account type. Simply copy and paste the credentials from your API token. Click Save to save the account. Before completing the setup, manually enter the bucket name. It must be globally unique. If the credentials are correct, the R2 account will appear in the Iperius Backup Cloud Account list. Now configure your backup to use the Cloudflare R2 destination. Set the backup type, and adjust any additional options as needed. Then click OK to save and proceed. Once the R2 destination is set, you can define a schedule and enable email notifications if required. Assign a clear name to your backup job and save it. Your backup is now ready. You can run it immediately to test it.